Now, the next phase in sexual reproduction is post-fertilization. Now, this post-fertilization is marked by formation of zygote, which leads to embryogenesis. Embryogenesis is nothing but formation of embryo. Now, zygote is diploid in nature, single celled. The diploid single celled zygote is universal amongst all organisms. Even we human beings start our life as single celled zygote. This zygote further undergoes two processes: cell division and cell differentiation. Cell division increases the number of cells in zygote, and cell differentiation further facilitates the production of various organ systems and various other requirements for the embryo, and these two leads to formation of embryo. Now, this embryo is of two types. Two category of organisms have been studied: viviparous, oviparous. These are majorly human beings or mammals. Zygote is developed inside the body, differentiated into various organs, then giving rise to various organ systems, and a fully developed offspring is delivered once the development of the offspring is completed. This is the case of reptiles and certain fishes. The fertilized egg with calcaneous shell is delivered outside the body and then hatched for the specific period to give birth to the offsprings. This is two different kind of, or these are two different distinguished kind of embryos formed. One is viviparous, other one is oviparous. Now, in case of flowering plants, what happens in flowering plants, or in case of plants where fruits are formed, male gametes get transferred to ovary, where ovule or egg is present. Male gametes transfers here. It leads to fusion, and after this fusion, fertilization takes place, which is marked by withering of stamens, petals, other flowers, and then once the withering has been done, zygote turns out into embryo, ovule turns out into seeds, and ovary turns out into fruit. Now, as the flower or the plant finds this suitable external environment or conditions, it further get burst, distributes the seeds and germinate. So, this is the case of plants, especially flowering or fruit plants, where the fusion takes place inside the ovary on ovule, zygote is formed, it is transferred into embryo, then the ovule turns out into seeds and ovary is completely turned into fruit, and when they find the suitable external environment, this fruit is dispersed, seeds are distributed and they lead to germination. This is overall process of sexual reproduction.